We're coming on the air with breaking news. The U.S. Supreme Court has just issued a decision on the Texas law that prohibits abortion after about 6 weeks. We want to go to our justice correspondent, Pete Williams, now, who has the decision. Pete, good morning.
Lester, the Supreme Court has just allowed lawsuits against SB 8, the Texas abortion law, to go ahead in the lower courts. Now, to be clear, this is not a decision that overturns SB 8. This simply opens the spigot now to allow lawsuits to proceed in state court in Texas, challenging the constitutionality of the law. Remember what was unusual about this law. Texas could not simply on its own ban abortion after 6 weeks of pregnancy, because that would violate the current Supreme Court rulings that say you can't ban abortion before the age of viability. That issue, by the way, is what's being debated now in the Mississippi case, but the court hasn't ruled on that. So the law of the United States right now is you can't ban abortion after 6 weeks. So what Texas came up with was a novel plan to allow outsiders, anybody else, private citizens, to file lawsuit. So the question for the Supreme Court was, can lawsuits go ahead challenging the structure of the Texas law? And the Supreme Court has just said yes. And I'm trying to decide now what the outcome of the court is. But it's going to take a while to figure out what the vote is here, Lester. But the bottom line here is these lawsuits can now go ahead in Texas.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.